Yeah. Oh, yeah. Signal each other. Right before the crash. It's pulling it. Oh, my God. What a retard. It's pulling it right into the car. You gotta hear the crunching. I can't believe it that they're that stupid. Dude, you're just beating the fuck out of that car. What the fuck? Are you that stupid? Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you fucking kidding me? You just fucking crushed that car. Oh my God. Are you out of your mind? What are you doing? Are they out of their mind? That is insane. That is absolutely insane. Are you guys fucking kidding? What geniuses! How about lifting it up and putting chains on the tires right where you are, genius? Unbelievable. Oh, you're gonna need more than a supervisor. Send a supervisor. Tell your supervisor to come with a lawyer. Unbelievable. Oh my God.